Hey everyone, it's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the GMC Acadia. Now this is the Denali trim level, but this time I'm going to be showing you your hands-free liftgate as it's changed for 2024. Now we'll begin 25s very soon. But as of right now, let me show you the hands-free liftgate. Now before I move to the back of the vehicle to show you, you do want to make sure the feature's on as you are able to turn it on and off. So go into settings and then vehicle, and then we're going to go down to comfort and convenience. And then right here up the top, you have hands-free exterior storage access. Now you can either turn it off or turn it for open only. Now we're going to go ahead and turn off the vehicle. Now to make sure there's a reset, I'm going to go ahead and fix this seat real quick. But to make sure there's a reset, every time you can just do this, opening and closing one of the doors. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just stand back here for 3+ seconds with the key fob. Key fob's in my pocket, and it's going to go ahead and open. And once again, super easy. I've got the key fob near me. Now you have to be within a proximity, which is about 3 to 5 feet away from the vehicle. Now that I've already done it, I'm going to walk away. And now you will have to wait about 10 to 15 seconds for it to fully reset. But say I walk up again with it, within that period of time, it's not going to open. But to reset it, so I automatically do it, I'm going to go ahead and open the door and close it, walk again to the back, and I stand here and hold it. Or you can keep it in your pocket, that sort of thing, and it's going to open. Now I'm going to show you one more scenario. Say you are opening it and you decide to change your mind. Now you're standing here. Let me go ahead and redo that since it wasn't closed. But you're standing here, you hear it beep, and then you walk away and it disables itself. Once again, walking back up to it, and then you decide to change your mind and you walk away, it won't open it. But you do stand here. And once again, I'm about 3 feet from the vehicle. You're standing here, and it fully opens for you. Now that's your hands-free powered liftgate on your GMC Acadia. Now this works for at least the Denali. You do have it on as an option for other trim levels as well. I've not seen it on the Elevation quite yet, but that's me personally, haven't tested it. So hopefully you've got it on your Elevation as of this time. But I want to say thank y'all again for watching. I'll see y'all soon.